Hey people, let's make some dinner today. And today's menu we have, how do you call this? Spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti this type. And then beef. My beef is ground beef. It is 85% lean, 15% fat, and grass fed. You know what that means? Organic. Anyways, that's what I'm going to do. And something special on the menu today. I'm going to try out something new, and that is to use coconut milk, organic. No. Okay, this is the type of spaghetti I'm going to use. They are very small. I'm going to wash it a little bit. Same thing, I put a little bit of salt, a little bit, and then pour it on the stove to boil. Hey, this is almost ready. So I'm just going to remove it, put it aside, and work on the ingredients that are supposed to go in. And the beef is still, the ground beef is still cooking. So I'll give it more minutes, and I'll check, I think, after like 10-15 minutes. Okay, just reduced some bit of the beef broth, put it somewhere so that it can dry up, and then we start making sure everything's ready to mix it together. Okay, now the water is dry, so I'll put my butter, because I don't have oil today, my vegetable oil. I'll use my organic butter. Yeah, just like that. And I'll stir it a little bit. I'll add more onions. I'll add garlic. Yeah, and then stir it a little bit. Give it like few minutes, not minutes, I think 1 minute, and then add the rest. The aroma is already so good. I'll wait for the onion and the garlic to cook a little bit, and then add my other ingredients, tomatoes, green pepper, everything. So this is how it is. I'll go ahead and put everything like I told you. Okay, it's time to put the dry ingredients. This is curry powder. Simba. Oh, sorry about that. I've washed it. And then I'll put Reiko. Reiko. Oregano. And then, okay, trying to mix all the ingredients. I think I chose a small pan, but it's okay. It's not so small. I can manage it. Yeah, not forgetting paper, dry paper from Uganda. This is how it is looking. So now, my last part of something that I want to try out is coconut, organic coconut milk. I want to try out and see how it comes out. Now it's time to mix it with the spaghetti, so get ready. Before I mix it, how does it look? Okay, it's time to mix it, Let's first mix this and see how it comes out. Don't want it very dry. I'll add more. Let me remove the heat. I don't want it to dry. How does it look? Yeah. So guys, try it out and tell me if you're like me who doesn't want to use milk, go for this organic coconut milk. So my meal is ready. See you on the plate.